Hello YouTube, what is up? Commando here with a video, obviously. Got another video for you. It's coming up right after my Morrigan figure unboxing. So today I will be unboxing the Super Sonico Swimsuit Santa version 1/7 scale from Alter Super Sonico. As you can see, really nice box. It seems like this is kind of Alter's new box style, I guess, for certain figures. I have this figure, and then my Mikan Yuki from Tulavru. It came in a similar box to this, with the clear with the sort of design on it. So I'll show you the front of the box, the right of the box, the back of the box, the left of the box, and back to the front. Alright, let us open it. This is sort of in the season, in the spirit of Christmas, since it is, you know, Christmas. These videos might not be uploaded until I get back to my place sometime in January, the beginning, but I'm sure you can bear with it. It's just my internet's better there. Don't worry, I'm recording quite a few videos. I think at least 4 or 5. So anyway, got that done. Let's lift up this. It's all plastic, so this is a plastic box, which is different. And let's just get her out of here. And instructions. Alright, so we've got her out of the box. Here she is in her blister pack. Hopefully you can see that alright. So, she came with some instructions. They basically just say how her head and the ribbons go. So how you can take her head off, because there's 2 heads, and how the ribbons are applied, as well as how her hood goes. So, yep, those are instructions on how to do stuff. Alright, let's get her out of the blister packaging here. Alright, there we are on the blister packaging front. Alright, so first we have her base. It's a heart, semi-transparent, frosted edges heart that says Super Sonico Santa Swimsuit version has the Nitro Plus information on there. Very nice base, very thematic and seasonal, but also, you know, with professional sort of display quality. It's not like an environment or something, it's just a frosted heart. So, yep. Her alternate head, which is pretty boring. It's basically just her head without the hood. So there's her alternate head. And of course we have the figure itself, stuck to various plastic inside the box, with the ribbons, of course, separated from the body via plastic. So overall, oh, and I don't know if you can see this, but the hood has a nice sort of clothing textured look to it to make it look kind of fluffy. So, yep. A nice texture to the figure itself. Plastic, of course, everywhere, covering all the bits, so I'm going to get the plastic off. So, I have, of course, gotten the plastic off, so I'll give you a look at her. There she is. Very, very well done. Alter quality, of course. Basically perfection. The skin's got a nice matte texture and color tone to it. Under there we got, of course, the pantsuit shot, obligatory. Insert here. The holly coming from her bikini. The holly bell, I should say. And yeah, overall, really, really awesome figure. So I'm just going to get her on her base real quick. And then I'll do a round view. And then a rotary view after that, of course, using the other head, which does not include the hood, because the hood is attached to the head. So there's the front, more or less, yep, of the figure. And then we lift her up. To the right of the figure. Oh, sorry, sort of flat to the thing, kind of hard to lift up. The back of the figure. And of course you can have the base kind of situated however you want. And then the left of the figure. And back to the front. So, there she is, the Super Sonico 1/7 scale Santa swimsuit version from Alter, with the fluffy Santa hood on, with the ribbons going down everywhere in her wonderful swimsuit bikini. Overall, quality-wise, very impressive, this figure. Obviously, it's Alter, so you're not really going to get anything less than perfection, really, from them. So, basically a 10 out of 10, 9.8 out of 10. I don't really see any issues with it upon my inspection. Her head came off rather easily, and this head was able to be put on rather easily as well. I did try that. So, this is coming just after I've done this. I have made myself a Patreon page where you can go and support my channel if you want, with sort of contribution towards like every video. You can sort of pony up however much you want. If you want to, of course. No obligation to do that whatsoever, but if you do, it's greatly appreciated. And so yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I hope to make better content and more content in the future with better quality equipment, which Patreon would definitely help me with. So thank you for watching, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, if you liked it, blah blah blah. Rotary view coming up, Super Sonico. I don't know what kind of music I'll put. It'll probably just be some generic anime music that sounds good. So, because Sonico isn't really... I guess I could use the opening for the Sonico anime, even though it was kind of stupid. Alright, thanks for watching.